When you see a sale sign, what color is it? That's right, red. And that's exactly how a lot of stocks ended this week. But here's the thing, just like a sale, this could be a chance to pick up quality stocks at a discount, and in today's video I'm breaking down 10 must-buy stocks while the market is down, along with the best entry points and price targets for each. If you've been following the channel since our last big pullback back in March, you'll already know how well those picks turned out. But remember, this video is for educational purposes only, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing. With that being said, let's dive in. Kicking off with the first stock on our list, which is Applied Digital Corporation, ticker symbol APLD. It's currently trading around $31, which is down around 23% from the highs we saw not too long ago. But I believe over the long term, this stock could have significant upside potential, so the big question becomes, how much upside could we be looking at? To get some price targets for this, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool, which looks like this, and some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first level is around $40.67. And the level above this is going to be up here, which is $52.82. There are some targets above these two as well, and I'll talk more about those in future update videos as the price approaches these two targets. So locking in some profits around these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. But before we can exit, we'll need to enter, so let's now take a look at some entry points for this. For the entries, we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool, which looks like this. And some areas where you might want to consider either entering or averaging down are going to be the following. The first entry point is going to be around $26.17. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $21.78. And the third entry point is going to be $17.46. So initially getting in around the higher Fibonacci level and adding more to your position at the lower levels, if the retracement continues down to these, could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. So APLD was the first stock on our list. Let's now take a look at the second stock, which is SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. It's currently trading around $28, which is down around 13% from recent highs. And the price targets for it are going to be the following. The first exit point you might want to consider is around $41.15. And the level above this is going to be up here, which is $53.60. This is what the Fibonacci retracement is looking like for SoFi, and the first entry point is going to be around $23.42. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $20.57. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $17.72. Now, if you're thinking, okay, these entry points and the price targets make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price to catch it when it hits one of these key levels, then don't worry, because I've got a free solution for you. I've got this free service that you can sign up for, and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits one of our entry points and also the price targets completely for free. The link to join this is going to be in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about this at the end. Coming back to the third stock on our list, which is Meta Platforms, ticker symbol META. It's currently trading around $621, which is down around 21% from this high here. I believe over the long term, Meta could have impressive upside potential as well, and to get some price targets for it, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool again. which looks like this, and the first exit point is going to be around here, which is $769, and the level above this is going to be up here, which is $949. From where it currently is, if the price was to climb up to this target, we're looking at an upside of around 52%, which is not bad, but we can see even higher returns if we can secure some cheaper entries. So let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for this to get some entry points. Here's what that's looking like for Meta, and the first entry point is going to be around here, which is $600. And the level below this is going to be down here, which is $547. Next, we have D-Wave Quantum, ticker symbol QBTS. It's currently trading around $29, which is down about 37% from this high here. This is what the extension tool is looking like, and the first price target is going to be up here, which is $46.49. The level above this is going to be around $52, and the third exit point is going to be up here, which is $58.95. And in terms of entry points, the first one is going to be around here, which is $26.65. And the level below this is going to be $21.23. So QBTS was the fourth stock on the list, and you've probably noticed that I'm using technical analysis to break these down. Some people trade based on the news, others focus on earnings, and then there are those like myself who stick to charts and indicators. There are lots of different ways to invest, but if you're wondering which strategy performs the best, the one that's given me the biggest edge is investing alongside key US politicians. Over the past few years, this approach has consistently outperformed everything else I've come across. When certain politicians make moves in the market, it often signals something bigger, and being able to track that has made a huge difference in my results. If you're curious about how it works, I put together this free video that walks you through the exact strategy I use, including real trade examples and the returns it's delivered over the last 3 years. The link to this video is going to be in the description below. Feel free to check it out if you want to see how powerful this strategy can be. Coming back to the fifth stock on our list, which is TeraWulf, ticker symbol WULF. It's currently trading around $14 and is down around 18% from its recent highs. And some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first level is around $24. And the level above this is going to be up here, which is $32.39. This is what the retracement tool is looking like, and the first entry point is going to be around here, which is $11.34. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $9.57. And the third entry level is going to be down here, which is $7.81. Next up, we have Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, currently trading around $178. It's down around 14% from recent highs. Some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be firstly $214. The level above this is going to be around $233, and the third exit point is going to be around here, which is $258. Moving on to the entry points, the first level is going to be around $174. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $153. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $137. Next, we have TMC, the metals company, currently trading around $5.73. It's down around 49% from this high we saw a month ago. And some areas that you might want to consider using as exit points are going to be the following. The first target is going to be around $11.35. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $15.68. And the third exit point is going to be up here, which is $23.73. Looking at the support areas, the first entry point is going to be $5.33. And the level below this is going to be around here, which is $3.69. Moving on to Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA, is currently trading around $188 and is down around 11%. The first price target is going to be around the previous high, which is $211. And the level above this is going to be up here, which is $288. Looking at the entry points, the first level is going to be around $182. The level below this is going to be around $164. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $149. The second last stock on our list is AMD. It's currently trading around $233 and is down around 12% from the highs we saw a few weeks ago. The first price target for AMD is going to be $327. The level above this is going to be up here, which is $438. And the third exit point is going to be up here, which is $548. In terms of the entry side of things, the first entry level you might want to consider is going to be around $194. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $171. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $149. SoundHound AI is the final stock on our list. Its ticker symbol is SOUN. It's currently trading around $14 and is down around 36% from the highs we saw in October. And here are some price targets for it. The first level is $22.65. The level above this is $27. And the third exit point is going to be up here, which is $39.72. Moving on to the entry side of things, the first entry point is going to be around here, which is $12.28. And the second entry point is going to be down here, which is $8.85. I will be making update videos on these companies as the price approaches our key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. And if you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video explaining everything is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. As promised, here's a reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is also going to be in the description below. If you have any thoughts on these 10 companies or want to share some stocks that have been catching your attention recently, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below. It would be good to learn about those. And if you'd like to watch another video where I talk about the steal of the century, then feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.